Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Luisa and today we are gonna do a what I eat in a day. I know it was highly requested, so I hope you enjoyed it. For breakfast I had this yogurt with melon, puffed rice and a couple of cashew, and since I've just hit 1k on Instagram, I thought I could do a fun little thing with the melon. And thank you so much for the 1k on Instagram. Also in this video I'm gonna show you what I did during this day. I went thrift shopping, I tie-dye some clothes, so stay tuned for that. And also this yogurt is handmade, so let's rewind to the time I did it. So today I'm gonna make homemade yogurt, vegan yogurt of course, and yeah, by making it at home I can save a lot of plastic and packaging, but for doing it we are gonna need a starter, a yogurt starter. I'm using a soy yogurt. Definitely use a soy yogurt because I don't think it works well with other types of yogurts. And then some soy milk, of course. For making it, I'm using a yogurt maker that my mom used when she was at uni. So I'm gonna show it to you right now. So this is the yogurt maker. Let's get going. So put a pot on the stove and heat up 700 milliliters of soy milk. Then put the yogurt in and wait until they get to room temperature. Then we went again thrift shopping. As you can see, I'm sanitizing my hands. And yes, enjoy this montage of me looking through a lot of clothes and also a lot of babies' clothes.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing.
Then my mom asked me to buy some lentils and veggies and fruits like potatoes, peppers and grapes and stuff like that, so I bought them.
Space makes me sad, 'cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with
Then it started raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. So here I'm gonna show you what I got. I bought fruits and veg like grapes. Then I also bought some peppers. And also I bought the sweet potatoes, and as I said earlier, I bought lentils and also some zucchini. Then, since my mom had cooked some barley, I thought we could insert a little bit of vegetables like the zucchini, the potatoes and the peppers. So here we are cutting out, washing of course, cutting out, and then bake some veggies.
Keep you by my side. I'll just start in a liquefied. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay.
They call me Luisa the genius.
Oh, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking, what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. No.
We have an air fryer that we usually fry potatoes in it, but I thought we could put the peppers in it this time. This is the air fryer, and this is how they turned out, and they tasted good, so a thumbs up.
Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home.
And here is the finished lunch.
Learn to swim like I never know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Luisa, and today we are vlogging. So today we are gonna do a couple of tie-dyes slash bleach dyes again. If you haven't checked out my last video, it's gonna be linked up there. And let's go. So cringe. The methods I'm using are the same as the other videos, so if you are confused during this one, make sure to check out the other. But essentially we're gonna do a turmeric tie-dye with these two t-shirts. Then we are redoing the t-shirt that we did in the old video because it didn't come out as good as we wanted to. And then we're doing a couple of other t-shirts. We are going to put 3 tablespoons or teaspoons, 3 or more teaspoons of turmeric. 1, 2, 3. Let's put 4. Basta? Done.
I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses.
How you doing, bro?
Coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
As you can see, it's dirty. It's cafe, kinda vintage.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Then I had a protein vegan bar as a snack, and let's rewind to the time I've bought it. Here I am at a sport department store, I don't know how it's called, and I'm taking the only vegan type of bars there are. Now I'm gonna show you what I cooked for dinner. It's a pie with spinach and vegan cheese. That's the Violife cheese, and I'm gonna show you how I make it. Here I realized the pot that I was using was too small and made a mess, of course. And yeah, I'm showing you how I prepare it, but my mom told me I did it all wrong, so don't follow what I did here. You're welcome. In my house we have given up plastic bottles, and we have a filter connected to my fridge, and we refill our glass bottle there, as you can see.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out. Cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flights even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down. Even when you wanna walk away, when times get bad, we can
Then put it in the oven at 180 degrees and wait until it's cooked. I don't know how much time is that. And by the way, I don't know the equivalent in Fahrenheit, so Google it. So you just had my sister, and I forgot to film an outro, of course. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!